Greetings and welcome, all lovers. Welcome to my channel, the Empress Sheba. Hi, I am Sheba. Here on my channel, I love to show my hair journey. And also I love to show my garden, which I'm going to make a separate channel for since my analytics show you all are not interested. I also love to put up some music stuff from time to time since I am a musician. My instruments being guitar, vocals, and piano. I also do engineering. I do have a separate channel for my music, which is Jahseeds Ancestors here on YouTube. You could also check out my music on SoundCloud under the Empress Sheba. If you are an old subscriber to my channel and you have returned here, I want to thank you so much for returning. I appreciate love you for being. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. If you love hair videos, if you are a new subscriber, which I do see some new subscribers here, and I want to thank you all so very much. I love you for it. Please help my channel get in the algorithm by liking my videos. That would be so awesome. This video begins with me in 2-strand mini twist. This was in February of 2023. In the beginning of the year, I decided I would wear 2-strand mini twist the whole entire year to ensure I would get lots of hair growth and retain lots of length. So this was my protective style. When I was ready to refresh the twist, I would take them down and retwist them one by one. Sometimes I would braid them at the roots and then two-strand twist them the rest of the way down. Sometimes I would do a hanging bantu knot on the ends to secure and protect my ends, which is very important in protective styling. At first, I started retwisting about every 10 days, but then I started stretching to about every 14 days. Sometimes I would do my wash day routine with the twist still in my hair, and sometimes I would take the twist down and start fresh. I would usually start my twist on Rev-air dried hair, or either I would put my hair in ponytails for a few days just to stretch the hair before I begin to twist it again. I did get very bored with these 2-strand mini twists, only because I'm extra and I'm a busybody when it comes to my hair. So I did braid my hair with extensions a few times. And the problem was I didn't leave them in very long before I missed my own hair and went right back to the 2-strand twist. It's kind of a way of tricking my brain into missing my own hair. I use my same old regimen of spraying my hair with aloe vera juice, using shea butter on the shafts of my hair, and twisting. I also do still grease my scalp with Nature's Blessings pomade. And yes, I still do stretch my pomade by adding other oils in it and also essential oils. I do have a touch of product junkie in me, so I do have some other products laying around here that I use from time to time just to get rid of, but they're nothing to go bragging about, and I don't really like these products because they don't work as good as my old faithful aloe vera juice, shea butter, and my Nature's Blessings. There is a product that I do like to use that I didn't mention, and it is Style and Jam, I think, or Shine and Jam Edge Booster. I do like to put that over the twist to seal the frizzies down, and it makes it look really sleek. But I did see a video a while back saying that the ingredients were not that great in there, and honestly I haven't pulled out my readers to investigate the ingredients. The writing is so small. You see this footage here. This is a whole different day again, and I am doing the hanging bantu knots on my ends, giving myself bangs. I really love this idea. I can make my hair length whatever length I like. I used to do this with my locks back in the early 2000s. I'm sure I was the first to do it because people were telling me I should patent it. Now to lay my edges down, I am using that same Style and Jam, I think it is, Shine and Jam, whichever. I'm using that to lay my edges down, which up to date, I have stopped using that product to lay my edges down because it just does not stay down. I have been using simple old gel. I think it's the wet extreme gel that I would do a wash and go or something like that with. I use that to lay my edges down now. Yes, I love laying my edges down. It makes me feel like my style is complete. It is something that I've been doing all of my life. My mother used to lay my edges down as a young girl. Here in America, that's what we do. We lay our edges down. So I still do it to this day. My edges are totally gray, y'all. Yes, my edges are gray, and I love to lay them down so you don't notice the grayness so much. I'm not ready. This is just a quick little something. Ponytails stretched. Here are ponytails again, waiting to be retwisted or something. Here is some braids that I wore for about a week because it was too hot, didn't like it. Here again, I braided again another time. I didn't like it. I'm taking it down here. Back to my twist again. Here's just a wash and go. That's my beautiful daughter sitting next to me. And this is my hair shrunken in a wash and go. And y'all, I decided to get a finger comber. Didn't even like it. Didn't wear it. I realized I liked my own hair better. That's all that does for me, is help me to appreciate love my own hair. 6 months later, in August, I do see significant growth in length retention. I am very happy, and I know I can retain more length. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is about clipping my ends. I clipped my ends quite often during these 6 months. Anytime I saw any raggedy ends hanging there, I cut them off. I didn't cut off a lot, but I cut off what was needed. You are a magnanimous person. You made it this far. I thank you so much. Be blessed.